Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss the question set 22. So the first question is we have to find the details of the students who participated in the Sinhala subject in the examination held on 2020 March 15th. So first let's head over to our Harry SQL the query tab, and I have already written the query for this. So let me paste it in the query tab. Alright. So in this we are going to select the first name, last name, gender and contact number from the student table, and then we are going to inner join it with the student exam mark record, and then we are going to inner join the subject as well so that we can select the subject name and the exam date by joining the exam mark record. So by running this query we can see all the details of the students who has written the exam in the Sinhala subject. So the second question is Sandun Vijayaratna found out that the mark of examination in which the student appeared in 2020 March 15. So the term, the number of admissions, the name and the name of subject. So we have to find the date of examination, the term, the number of admissions and the name of the subject of Sandun Vijayaratna. So we are going to use another query here. So we'll remove this query. Let's paste it. So from here I'm selecting the mark column, term name column, index number column and subject column. So all these columns are not there in the student exam mark record, so it's not there. So I'm going to inner join the student column to get the index number, and then I'm going to inner join the subject column to get the subject name, and I'm using the where clause to get the first name Sandun Vijayaratna and the exam date 2020 March 15th. So the database should search for Sandun's details on his exams. So by seeing this we can see that we have got all his first term marks for math, science and Sinhala language and literature, and the marks as follows: 85, 85, 78.6. Now let's go to the next question. So find the name, subject, marks, term of the examination, date of the examination of the students who obtained between 40 to 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2020 July 10th. So to get this we are going to use another keyword that is called the between keyword. So let's minimize this and go to our Harry SQL. So I'm selecting the first name and last name, and to get the subject name, mark and term name, to get the subject name I'm going to inner join the subject, and to get the mark I'm going to inner join the student exam mark record table, and to get the term name also we are getting it from the student exam mark record table. And now I am searching for the subject name mathematics and the exam date is 2020 7/15. Let's check our date again, 2020 7/10, and the mark should be in between 40 and 70. So when we run this we can see all the second term tests for mathematics. So these are the students who have got the marks between 40 to 70. Let's go to the next question. Who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the subjects? So to get this we'll be using another query, a select query. So let's head over to the Harry SQL and let's type in this query. So I'm going to select the first name and the last name from the student table, and I'm going to inner join the student exam mark record table with collating with the index numbers, and then I'm going to find the marks in, and I'm going to select the maximum mark from the student exam mark record, and I'm going to inner join the exam term on the student mark record term ID, where it's going to be the first term. So the select max is a subquery, so I'm running the subquery within the main query. So now let's run this to see the result, and we can see that Amanda Moses has scored the highest out of all the subjects. So thank you for watching my video, and We'll meet in the next video.